Hey guys, it's Bea, your happy bee, and for the past few days, even weeks, it's been very hot. So all of this heat and humidity just makes me crave for milk tea more. And so today I wanted to make milk tea and share with you guys my recipe. I'm making 3 servings of tea, and I'll list down below the specific amounts for this recipe. But basically we'll be needing tea, water, milk, pearls, they look like Milos, and sugar, Milktea. First thing we're gonna do is brew our tea. I have black tea in tea bags over here. The reason why I chose this tea is not because I've researched what the best tea is for milk tea, but because this is what's in my cupboard. I'll try not to judge if you're the kind of person that drinks green tea, but if you want green tea, milk tea, go ahead and follow the same recipe. But yeah, do note that the black tea drinkers are superior. What we're gonna do is boil 2 cups of water. Is it boiling yet? Nope. And after it boils, plop in your tea bags and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Cool in a cup. Oh my god. Please don't let me spill. You can steep your tea for a shorter period of time if you don't like a very tea-y milk tea, but my sister and I super love it when we can really taste the tea in our milk tea. Next, let's prepare our pearls, and the amount you're gonna make is basically dependent on how much you love them pearls, yo. Okay, so similar to how you like your taho, some people like more arnibal, some people like more sago, or some people like more taho. So if you like a lot of pearls, I'd say let's go and put in 1 cup of pearls in. But since we don't like pearls that much, I'll prepare half a cup of pearls today. But hot tip, you want to make sure that the water is boiling already before we add the pearls, because the first time I made milk tea, I just added it when it was like simmering, and it made the pearls stick to the bottom, the sides, and no bueno. Oh wow. I don't know why I screamed. Mix. If you make a mistake like me and you put it in too early, even though I told you not to do that, keep mixing so your pearls don't stick to the bottom of the pot. Once you get the pearls to float, it's time to wait. When the time's up, drain, put it back to the pot, and now it's finally time for us to do the last step. For the pearls. Add water, sugar, and let it boil for 5 minutes. The most important part is that we mix. Finally, we're almost done after what I feel like is so long. Like, come on guys, the sun is already about to set. I think, what time is it? Magpa-5 na guys, and I'm still making this. But all we have to do now is to combine our ingredients in our glass. We finally have our milk tea. Okay, first things first, we have to taste the actual tea. So, yes, perfect amount. So I put a little bit less of the milk that I originally wanted to put, because I was like, the color's okay already. Really, I'm just judging by the color, and I really want that tea taste, so this is super perfect for me. Now let's taste the pearls. Mix. Please don't laugh at my gigantic straw. I'm still chewing. That is how chewy this pearl is. I bet if you made the pearls by scratch, it would be super yummy. But with this method, you can also make chewy pearls. Actually, originally in the packaging, it was like boil it for 30 minutes, but then I started to boil it at 20 minutes, and that's when I found that you get the really chewy, yummy pearls. So, highly recommend. I hope you guys try this milk tea at home, and I'll see you guys next time.